Welcome to Dictation World Steno.
Exercise number 2 will sound economics, which is what the slew of much delayed measures announced by the government to boost investors' confidence amounts to also prove to be sound politics. Question mark. One answer to the question should come with the way the government has dealt with Mamata Banerjee ultimatum. Stop. If it continues to remain firm as it has in its dealing with her, it will signal the strength of its resolve to risk its survival in office to uphold the national interest of that, in turn will stymie to some extent the effort of other parties to push UPA II to the wall. Stop. The SP, in particular, will then think twice before it lets its increasingly strident rhetoric against the Congress reach a point of no return. Stop. Even more significantly, the BJP, which championed reforms when it was in power but has now become the Pied Piper of no holds barred populism, will find it hard to sustain its fears. Stop. Opposition to the government. Stop. As it is, the party's endeavor to paralyze parliament has not gone down too well, even in those sections of opinion that have been outraged by Colgate and other scams that have dented the reputation of UPA II possibly beyond repair. Stop. But if the government manages to ensure that the SP does not abandon it, the BJP will be in a tight spot. Stop. In fact, it will face a worse prospect should some of its allies, such as the Achilles cranks with it on the latest reforms package, not least because it allows states to fashion their own policies as regards FDI in multi-brand retail. Stop. This move is very much in keeping with the more pronounced and going federal sentiment in the country. Stop. Fortune, they say, favors the brave. Stop. Battered by negative publicity at home and abroad, Prime Minister Manmohan Singh has run a political risk that bears the cachet on not only of course but also of bravado. Stop. He took that risk when, in the face of stiff opposition from the CPM, he pushed through the Indo-US civilian nuclear deal. The CPM that had to eat Crow, stop. This time the risk is, if anything, more severe, since the new measures announced are bound to adversely impact public opinion directly, at least in the short run. Stop. And the short term more or less coincides with the time that is left before general election are held in 2014 for a prime minister whose cautions to a fault, such risk taking must surely be rooted in hard-headed calculation with the elevation of Pranab Mukherjee to Rashtrapati Bhavan, he was able to get out of his way an opponent of the so-called trickle-down theory. Stop. With P. Chidambaram reinduction in the finance ministry, he was able to neutralize, in a manner of speaking, another cabinet colleague whose enthusiasm for the reformist agenda has been less than lukewarm. Stop. Chidambaram not only backs reforms to the hilt but also share, much like Anatony does an excellent rapport with Sonia Gandhi. Stop.